This is the latest model of GIGABYTE A7K1 gaming laptop. It is powered by AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor and NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU. It comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. These hardware specs provide more than enough horsepower to play all modern gaming titles in 1080p resolution. AMD Ryzen 7 5800H is an 8-core 16-thread CPU and it delivers very good performance and also very good battery life. This CPU can turbo boost to 4.4 GHz and AMD has packed this CPU with 20 meg of L2 plus L3 cache. So take a look at the impressive Cinebench single and multi-core benchmark performance of this CPU. I think among the gaming CPUs, including the ones that Intel has, this is one of the best chips that you can get at this price range. Now GIGABYTE has paired this CPU with an NVIDIA RTX 3060 mobile GPU. This is a solid 1080p gaming GPU. It's rocking 3840 CUDA cores and these cores are capable of running up to 1.7 GHz boost clock frequency. Take a look at the FPS that I got while playing popular gaming titles in 1080p resolution in high setting. Even the most demanding games are able to run at 60 frames per second or higher, which makes gameplay very smooth. Now let's talk about the display. So GIGABYTE A7K1 is rocking a large 17.3-inch full HD screen that uses an LED backlit IPS panel. It supports 144Hz fast refresh rate and comes with an anti-glare matte coating. This display pumps out 250 nits of brightness and offers 72% NTSC color gamut, which is perfect for indoor gaming and also for content creation, so stuff like video editing and Photoshop. You also get a fully customizable RGB keyboard with all zone backlighting and 15 LED presets. Regarding battery life, you can expect to get around 4 hours of battery life on this laptop because the included 3-cell 49 Wh battery is not very large. Moving on to the thermal performance, there are two 5-volt 53 blade fans that continuously pump out internal hot air from this laptop. Now the chassis consists of 5 heat pipes and 3 of them are dedicated to dissipating the GPU heat because that's the most overheated component in any gaming laptop. Now there are 3 exhaust vents and intakes that help the laptop run cool during intense gaming session. Last but not the least, you are getting plenty of ports with this laptop and GIGABYTE has designed it to be fully upgradable, so you can easily access both the RAM slots as well as the NVMe SSD by opening the back of the laptop. So here are my final thoughts. I think GIGABYTE A7K1 is a really good mid-tier gaming laptop. You will be able to play all 1080p gaming titles on this laptop and you will get at least 60 frames per second. So overall your gaming experience is going to be really nice. If you're a content creator who does video editing and Photoshop, you will also be able to do all those work on this laptop because the CPU and the GPU both are more than capable of running these kinds of tasks.